So, girls' weekend at the River House. Fun times. Welcome to the River House, where we have no crabby attitudes.
Thank you for watching a very, very short house tour.
So ooh. This was my grandma's favorite store. She died at the age of 97, and this is where she spent her shopping experience. Okay. And I'm currently gonna get these boots because they're so cute. You know, Anna, you can talk in these things. Mm-hmm. I totally feel like I'm in Dawson's Creek right now.
Like cute little tour.
Yeah, we tried.
Reedville, little cute fish.
Wiggle! The party's here! Chug, chug, chug! Chug, chug, chug! Oh my god. That's your t-shirt. Yeah, that's your t-shirt. That's so sweet. We ain't good, people. Guys, this is my outfit. This is my outfit to take this little one out. Hi, Charlie. Dude, I love this.
Isn't it cute?
I love it.
I've never been on a ferry before! And then this is Reedville. So come on. I mean Sunny Bank Reedville. So we're crossing, instead of going all the way around, you can.
We have coffee. We have the meats.
This coffee is so good.
I give no fucks, hoes come easy.
To go to the beach. So I get out of Northumberland Plantation by turning left.
I was like, please don't jump on me though. Oh, you cutie pie. You're so cute.
Wait, you're gonna throw up. You're gonna throw up.
Okay, let me give you a rundown of everything that's going on right now. So I am at a river house for the weekend with my friends, and we're having a little girls trip. It's really fun, and right now I'm getting ready to go to dinner, and this is our last night here, so I'm gonna try to vlog it as best as I can, but that doesn't mean I will, so stay tuned. This is Elena. This is her outfit for the night. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Ooh.
I got my cow outfit.
We love
Halloween
it.
costume.
We love it. So cute. So this is my outfit for the night. Shoes, Urban, pants, American Eagle, belt, Michael Kors by Guy TJ Maxx, and the shirts from Traveling Chic Boutique.
Hi, this is from Charlie Chic Boutique. These pants are from Rhone. And then these shoes are Golden Goose.
Cute.
Hey Peaches, so I just had a really fun night. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So just to give a little bit of background, we've been here for 3 nights, 4 days. It was really fun. I had a lot of fun. My friend was showing me around like this town and like where like our family grew up, and I was like super fun. Our friend Elena came and like the dogs got to run around. We ate a bunch of places and it was just like really fun, and like I really enjoyed it. And we like went out tonight, we drank a little bit, danced a little bit, and it was just like really fun. Met some cool people and I had a great time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tiny vlog, and if you guys do enjoy this content, like let me know, give it a thumbs up, you know, super fun, you know, yeah. So I hope you guys have a lovely day and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.